Welcome. In this video, we'll see website cloning in social engineering tools. So basically, before we begin, you have to understand what is website cloning. So basically, cloning stands for creating the replica of the original one, like they do cloning of animals or cloning of some expensive things. So here we are going to see about website cloning. Why we are going to do website cloning is so that it helps in hacking. Like if you create the replica of Facebook, then you can trick anyone to enter their user ID and password into the cloned website. So basically in this video, I will show you how to clone a website. So let's start. First, open a terminal and type SE Toolkit to start the social engineering tool. You can see it started. Here you can see the modules of the toolkit. Now we are doing social engineering attacks. So selecting a module 1. Here you can see some module of social engineering attacks. As we are doing website cloning, so I will select 2, that is website attack. Now selecting credential harvest attack. Now selecting credential harvest attack method, that is 3, to clone the website. So here I am selecting the site cloner 2. Now we need to enter the IP address. So I am entering my own IP address, that is 192.168.0.11. You'll get your IP. If you don't know how to get your IP, then you can get it by just typing ifconfig in the terminal. Here you can see the IP. Just copy it and paste it in the place of target IP. Now enter the website name, which website you want to clone. Here I want to clone the Facebook website. So I will type www.facebook.com. Now here you can see the website is cloning. Now it's ready for the attack. If the victim open this link, you can see the clone website is opened. So if you type your own email ID and password and hit enter, you can see here in backend terminal your email ID and password is captured. Basically what we did here is we created clone of facebook.com and hosted on my own local IP address only, that is 192.168 so and so. So by using this social engineering toolkit, we have just cloned Facebook website and hosted on our own computer, or you can say we did it locally. If you even send this link, that is 192.168 to anyone, if they just open this link or this ID, then this cloned website will load up. Whatever user and password they will enter here, you'll get back in terminal. You can send this link in an email so that victim open it up. You can send this link to victim in the Facebook or WhatsApp or email. If they just open it up, they will believe that it's Facebook itself only and they will type user and password. I have did it myself many times. Like once what I did was I have used Google AdWords. In that what I did is I hosted this cloned website on one website itself only. That is another method where we had created the cloned website in the HTML format. What I did is what the URL was, I added it in Google AdSense, or you can say Google AdWords, so that whoever types Facebook in Google, the first Facebook link which used to appear was mine, that is a cloned website which I had set up for particular location only. So within a night I got like some 30 to 40 user ID password of the people of whom I didn't knew, but they belonged to that location. What mistake they did was they searched on Google as a Facebook and they opened the first link, which was mine, which I had tricked and added into the Google result on the top by paying to Google through Google AdWords. So by clicking that first link, they came to my cloned website and they entered their user ID and password. So if you ask me, after entering user ID and password and hit login, what will happen? What will happen is you'll get a blank screen. Nothing happens. That is another process where you can show error after hitting login to make it look authentical, to make it authenticate, to make it look real. So that's all. So this was pretty much simple, where I just created within a few minutes the cloned website and hosted on my own system only. If you're really interested on what I did using Google AdWords, how to do this and all, like how I integrated into Google search and all to get user and password of unknown people who came through Google, then go through my course. I think I did this thing in A to Z ethical hacking course, or else I have did it in another course, that is ethical password hacking and protecting. I think I have most probably done it in A to Z ethical hacking course itself only. Just to check in curriculum, you'll get Google AdWords thing and all in the curriculum itself only. Just check the curriculum before taking the course. You'll get Google AdWords mentioned in curriculum itself only. So that's it in website cloning in social engineering tools. Thank you for watching this video.